Hi cuties, Grace here. Today we are going to draw an A in dinosaur theme. So let's get started. To draw A, first start by drawing a little curved line. I'm going to count down here. Make a curve. And we are going to bring this out a little bit more. And then on this side, I'm going to do the same for the left side. A curve, then come down here and straight outwards. And then complete the curved line. So, from here, I'm going to start a curve for the inner hole for A. So, just imagine a curve down for each shadow. Draw a line down. And finish it. Also here for inside shadow. And here I'm going to draw this curve for dinosaur. Just slowly and steady. Okay, I'm going to complete the tail, and about right here I'm going to start with the tail with a curve outwards and a curve downwards. So I'm going to count in detail right here. So now we have finished A. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. See you later.